Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to humanize ChatGPT text. If this video helps you, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. As a first step, we must go to ChatGPT and ask it for a text of whatever. Now we copy it. We will go to another tab and search for 0GPT. This site will detect the text generated by IA, so we will know if this method works. Here we paste the text and click on Detect Text. As you can see, the text is totally generated by IA. Even we mark with yellow color the parts generated by IA. Well, to humanize our text, we will open another tab and search for Humanize AI. Here, we paste our text, and up here we have several options depending on what we want. In my case, I will leave it in standard. Now, click on Humanize AI. Copy the humanized text and go to 0GPT to check it. And that's it. The text is humanized correctly. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.